us look at another coin. How to set a preset price, because setting a preset price is very, very important. I now see now the coin has gone down to -6. I think that was a trade I was doing. If I have followed that thing if I have followed it, I will have this coin that I'm doing, this AVAX. I saw that this coin will do coming. I saw that this coin will go as low as $45 but I was eager. Let me enter this coin very fast. When I saw that the coin has gone down to like 47 or 48, I said, let me just enter. My analysis that I did on TradingView that this coin can enter $45. Don't mind me. I love using TradingView. I'm still going back to RoyalQ. Let me go to AVAX. AVAX. The coin actually went as low as that $45. If I have followed my analysis, I will have left that trade since. Let me show us, because I drew the line that this coin might enter. Are you not seeing it? It's me that drew that line by myself. I drew the line that this coin can go down as low as $45. Are you not seeing it? This coin even went as low as $43. Are you not seeing it here? It went as low as $43. So if I have entered at $45 that I analyzed, I didn't enter at $48 that I entered. I think, okay, this way I entered. I entered at $50. If I have entered at that my analyzed lower price and I present the bot to buy at that lower price, I will have left this trade now. The bot will have given me, let me analyze, I will have gotten by now, I will have gotten like, are you saying it? I will have gotten like 7% profits. I will have gotten 7% profits. If I have followed that my analysis of buying lower, I will have left the trade faster. Because when you want to enter a coin, you should always know that the moment you enter a coin, it must first go down first. It does not always go up. Especially if you are in a downtrend market, always expect the coin to first pull back, go down before it start going up. And when I enter this AVAX even went as low as -8%. So if I have entered this coin lower, I will have been able to leave the trade since. So I have been patiently waiting for that coin to reach back to my. Are you not seeing that on the 4-hour, this coin is still going to go back again, lower again? See it. It's still going lower again on the 4-hour chart. It's still going to come down again. It's around $45 or $48 or $47 before it now start climbing up again in the 1-day chart. So I want us to really use this preset price. It works. It makes you to leave your trade faster because coin always pull back before they start going back. So be patient. So let me use RoyalQ to explain, so for us to be able to understand. For those of us that we don't know how to use the TradingView. So let us look at another coin. Let us enter OAX. You click and understand. As I said earlier, first check on the 1-day chart. That is this chart on a downward trend, okay? I think it's in a downward trend here, and then this is on a downward trend here. From here, from this price, from 0.4048, it has come down to the current price that we are seeing at 0.280. So that is a real downward trend. From this upper band here, it has come down to the lower band. So we can see that the RSI is 40. So, and there's a small green candle forming. So I'm expecting this coin to go up. So let me now go to the 4-hour chart. That's where I always take my trade most. That's where I always take my trade most. So let us check the 4-hour chart. That's not open. Okay, I was talking on 4 hours. This 1 day. No, this 1 day. What I was analyzing was 4 hours, not 1 day. This 1 day, this coin on the 1 day is coming down here. It has touched this polygon upper band is coming down to this place, this middle band. It must come there. So this coin is going to go down lower. So I don't like the pattern of this coin. It moved up, it came down, it touched this middle band, it went up again, it touched that upper band again, it's still coming down here. But let me check the 4 hours. I don't like the pattern. So I prefer it to be on a good downward trend. On the 4 hours, we can see here that since the coin is on a downward trend on the 4 hours here, is on a downward trend, this coin might still come down here. So if you now draw a line to the nearest candle before, and the candle is this green candle, you want to check what was the lowest price that we can get if you draw this line on this polygon band, because this coin is still coming down. This coin is still coming down to this place, to this lower band here that I just draw. So draw your line and let it touch the nearest candle here. So the candle that is almost close to this green candle. So I will now put my hand on that green candle. I want to see the lowest price is entered. Are you seeing that black box? You will see dates. You see the open price when the coin opened in that candle. So the lowest price this coin went down was 0.2150. So this coin, I can bet you, this coin will still come down to 0.2150. So if I want to enter this coin, I will rather wait and set my preset price at 0.2150. Because that coin must still come down there. Because I know that if that coin comes down to that price, a little movement up, I can take like 3 to 4%. So I will now click create, as in strategy bot, trade setting, go to manually create, strategy, pick your strategy, then change your first buying amount based on your capital, let's say like 19, which is like 3.8. Then click save, make sure, ensure that you change the old warehouse mode here to submit more time settlement here. Then ensure you off the AI margin call. Then click reset price here and put the price you want the bot to buy. Don't want the bot to buy this current, but then click sure. Then you can now start, and you can click activate for the bot to start. If you can be patient and wait for that coin to buy much more low, I'm betting you will not have too much issue in floating lows. Let's check this one too. That this coin can still come down on a 4 hour. Let's check 1 day. 1 day will tell you, and this coin is still going ahead. You can see that on the 1 day, the closest price here that this coin can reach here, it can come to this place, this lower polygon band. You can touch the lowest is showed here is 0.6789. But if you want to use the 4 hour chart, let's look at the lowest end. We can see that there's a candle here that touched this polygon band here. And here, this green candle, it touched this lower band. If I want to enter this coin, I will enter this coin when it goes further down to that green candle. I can see that the lowest it did was 0.8140. So you can enter, do your preset price at 0.814. If you don't want to wait that long, you can look at the nearest candle that is, you can look at this long green candle, tap it. That box here will show you the, put your hand on that green candle. The lowest price here is 0.0839. That means this candle, the lowest in this candle was 0.083. That means the coin, the lowest is, and it went down in that candle. That means at the bottom, because green candles form from the bottom here, and end at the up, but red candle form from the up and they come down. So that means the coin started from the lowest price at the bottom and close. That's what the details I got from by pressing the candle down like this to show you the transaction in that candle, to show you that within that 4 hours, the highest price that this coin did was 0.10%, 0.10280, and the lowest price it did was 0.0839. And if you can see what I'm saying, I not seeing the change. That means this coin must have done like 18%. I not seeing it. I don't see 18%. That's one of the benefits of doing preset price. If you can do preset price, I bet you'll be making more profit than entry coin at the coin price, because coin must always go further down by understanding price action and those candle pattern. I believe if you are able to get what I just explained once more, type 5 in the chat again. I've recorded it so you can be able to have recorded. Type 5 in the chat. I want to find out whether we understood that preset price that I just repeated again. If you don't type 5, that means you didn't get what I just said. Type 5 in the chat if you are able to understand what I just repeated now. It's a good strategy that we should be adopting now. It's a good strategy that will make us to be able to buy. I want to be brief. I want to show us how to set up the trading view. So it will be a series. So I'll start the first three today. So I've just duplicated that trading view. So when you want to set up a trading view, the first thing you need to do, is you need to create the list of coins that you have on RoyalQ. This is the way to look like. To show you this, you can see that it's not showing crypto assets. It's showing all those because you can use trading view for analyzing stocks, forex, and crypto. But I use it only for crypto analysis. So what will you do if you want to add coins? You click on add lists. Okay, so I think it's showing me sign up. Let me use the one that I've already used before. Let me click. I think I've used this one before. So what do you do? When you open the trading view app, you go to your RoyalQ. What do you want to do? You want to add the list of those coins you are trading on RoyalQ. You go to your RoyalQ app. Let's say you want to be using Binance, because some people are using Kraken, they're using Bybit, they're using OKX to trade. So what you need to do is that make sure that before you add that list, ensure that this logo here is on the exchange you are using. So for me, I'm using Binance. So when you get here, on the home page, you see the list of coins. You see the list of coins on your home page. So you will not be adding this coin. It's a painstaking stack, so you just have to follow it. You will not be adding these coins one by one. You have to look for a book, write them one by one. Or if you want to focus on some, let's say, some coins first, like I taught us before, that if you can focus on the first 30 coins, you go to coin market cap. You want to focus on those first 30 coins that you know, because you got market cap. Just go to all those coins: BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, SRP, Doge, ADA, AVA, Shiba, BCH, DOT, TRS Link. Write them down, maybe like 30 or 40. Then you can now say, okay, these are the coins I want to add. I don't want to add all these funny coins that the name are very funny. Then you go back to your TradingView app. You go to your TradingView app. Somebody is calling me. When you know that I'll be on Zoom meeting, does not even attend my Zoom meeting. So you go to TradingView app, you click on add new lists. You click on here, you click on add new list, because this TradingView, I've already added some lists here. So you click where they wrote add new lists. At that where they wrote add new list, click it. You click it. I don't know why it's not clicking. I don't know whether they want me to, because they want me to always pay. Let me clear that plus sign. Maybe they want me to pay.
Hello, sir. It's plus sign. You click on the plus sign.
It's not even clicking. Okay, it has clicked. So you now begin to, thank you for that, sir. So you now start to pick those coins one by one. You search for them. You just type according to the list you saw on CoinMarketCap or on RoyalQ. You type them. Let me see. First coin here is OAX. OAX. I don't know why. Is it the advert that's not allowing me to place this? You type OAX USDT. You now click that plus sign here. You are seeing that when you type the name of the coin, TradingView will show you all the exchanges where this coin has been traded: on Binance, on BitGet, on Gate.io, on no, it's not on Bybit. It's another coin. So you can only find this coin on Binance, BitGet, and Gate according to Gate.io, according to TradingView. So because I want to be analyzing this coin on Binance, what will I do? I will just click the plus sign. Then if I want to add more again, I will now do what? Search for the next coin. Only on the next coin. ASR. I will search for ASR USDT. I will now click the plus sign. So I will check the next coin, which is Acro. Let me just be editing it. Acro. Then click the plus sign. So I will go back. What's the next coin? Is Pendu. So I will just edit it. Pendu. You click the plus sign. Then I'll go again. What's the next one? JUV, VIB, ATM. JUV. Click the punch sign. And then I saw VIB. Are you not seeing the funny names? Another one I saw ATM. Yeah, I won't trade that kind of coin. No. ATM. Which kind of coin be this one? So after you have added maybe like 40, 30, depending on the number of coins 3V will allow you to add. Because they when they see that you are going beyond your boundary, they will telling that you need to upgrade, you need to pay, you need to pay. So let's say I have finished adding my list. You now see that the list will show here. These are the lists I've added. Okay, it has added to my previous list before. So you can see that the new one I just added is here. So your one, it will list like this. So that's how you can add your coins on TradingView. That's the first thing to do on TradingView. Then the next thing, if you want to use your TradingView to analyze, what I always do is that I want to analyze this coin. I will first tap these 3 dots to arrange this coin according to the most negative and to the most performing coins. What will I do? I will tap that 3 dots. I will now click that sort by arrow up, arrow down. I will now click by sort by change. I will tap it. Then it will arrange the coin according to the most negative. So if I want the TradingView to arrange the coin according to the most positive, I will tap it again, click sort by change again to arrange the coin according to the most performing coins. So after I've done that, the next thing that I need to do is that after you have set up your list and you have learned how to use how to change your coin according to the highest performing coin, lowest performing coin, you come down, you now click this box at the bottom, this box here, because what you need to do next is for you to add what we call your time zone. So you need to add the time zone in the location that you are. So what will you do? I think that place is in it has been long I've done this thing. So let me use start to search for it. Okay. You come here. Let me you click this because you need to change your time zone. You need to come here to this setting icon. Click it because you must make sure you put your TradingView in your time zone. If you are in US, you are in UK, you are in Canada, you are in Bulgaria, make sure you put your time zone. So you click that setting, click setting down, you go down, make sure you put your time, your date format like this, just leave it like that. Then go back. I think that place is in symbol. Yes, in symbol. Yes. This is what I did. Let me go back. If you want to put your right time zone, click that setting down, go to setting down, then go back and click on symbol here to put your time zone. Then go down. We are now seeing time zone at the bottom here. Click it. Then any location that you are, New York, Toronto, anywhere you are, that is the location you must put here so that I can get the proper chart pattern. It's very, very important. Don't go and be using the time zone of people that are living in Hong Kong to do analysis. Your analysis can never be accurate. So that's what you need to do after you have set up your list of coins. You need to do your time zone. After you have done your time zone, now the next thing is that there are some tools you need to add. Before you add those tools, make sure that the candle type that you are using, before I was using Aishi candles. These candles are in different patterns. How do you get those candle types? Click on this plus sign. Let me confirm where I used to get that to, because it has been long I've used it. I think it's on. But that's how you need to set up your TradingView. I think it's on. I'm coming. I'm looking for candle type. I'm coming. Make 3 dots. I think I've seen it. So where you go is you click this. If you want to make sure you want to use the candle type for your charts. click on these three dots, that three dots, then scroll down to where they wrote chart type, click it. Now, before I was using this icon sheet candle type before I start using the candle type you're using. So make sure that your chart type is in that normal candle. If you want to use candles in like bars, if you click bars, see that your charts, your candles will be in bar type. If you want to change the pattern again, maybe to columns, you see that it will look like this. So people have different pattern that they use, but me, the chart type that I use is the normal candle type. That's what I use for all my analysis. So that's how the type that I use. Now, the next thing that you need to also add is, most time you see me always using I'm always drawing using horizontal line. I'm drawing using vertical line. I'm using price tools. What will you do? You click the plus sign here. If you want to be using those drawings that I used to draw horizontal, I used to draw like most time I used to draw like this. I will draw line like this. I don't draw it. I will just pick the horizontal line, and I can also use vertical line. Sometimes I also use my price range to know the price I want to take, the profit range I want to take. But I want to know, okay, this coin, what is the floating loss value it has gone so far? I can use that price range tool. So how do you do that? You go to this plus sign, you click drawings. So when you now click drawings, you can see that I have already added the regular drawing tool that I use. Let me unfavorite it. Let me overwrite it. Price range. Let me remove it. So what will you do? You scroll down, you will see there are different trend lines here. So my favorite is the horizontal ray. Just put your hand like and favorite it. It will go up. So I also use vertical line. I'll put my line on the vertical line. I put my hand on it to favorite it so that it will always be at the top. So that I will not be looking everywhere, always looking for it. So another tool that I use a lot is my price range. So I go to, I think, price and measurement, and hence forecasting and measurement. So I always use the price range. I'll put my hand on it, I'll favorite it. The moment I've done that, I will cancel it. So it will always be at the upper part of my favorite or my drawing, so that anytime I want to use it, I can easily get it. Like if I want to draw a line, I want to draw a line, a vertical line, or I want to draw a line at the bottom of this red candle here, I will just go to the plus sign, I will click drawings, I will now tap on the horizontal ray once. So we can see that the horizontal ray is already here. This is it. This thing you are seeing. That's the way it will come. This line you are seeing here. So I will now put my hand on this blue button to be dragging it where I want it to go. I will now put my hand on it like this. Are you seeing it? I will now drag it down to anywhere I want to place my horizontal line. I will now, let's say I want to put it here. I will now leave it. I will tap around here. It will stay there. That's why most time when I'm doing analysis, I want to know the price I enter a coin. If I go and show us my normal charts, trading view, anytime we enter any trade, I use that horizontal line to know the price that we enter any coin that we are trading. Like that Abbas I am trading, you can see that I have put the my horizontal line is black color. Are you not seeing it? I put the that horizontal line here. So that's the price I entered. So that I can be monitor monitoring how the candles are forming, coming close to my entry price. And you can see that I use that horizontal line also at this place when I was analyzing this coin, that this coin, if you reach this place on the 4-hour chart, which if I have known, I will have entered that coin at that price. I will have this coin, I will have gotten like 7.19% profit. Because I analyzed the coin that this coin if it go down more. And how did I know that? When I enter this coin, this is when I enter this coin. This is when I enter this coin. I enter this coin around here. I think I enter this coin. This is when I enter this coin. I enter this coin around here. And I believe that this coin will go up. So, but I was thinking again that why don't I even enter this coin at a lower price than this $50 that I entered? I will have entered at that price. What I would have done that was that I will go and check at the back, the previous lowest price this coin has reached before. I seen it. That was why I drew this black line from here. You can see that I went back, because sometimes I'm still going to teach us how to study how to study charts in long range. Because if you go back, coins, any coin you want to enter will always retest the former price it has entered before. I think I've done a training before on how to identify the support and resistance. So if I go back and I go and check the previous lowest price from the current price I want to enter, I will now go back and I check, okay, this coin has tested this price before. It has stored this price before. And it will always test it again. It will always enter that price. It will go down to that price again. By going back. And that's what I did here in drawing that horizontal line. I went back. That this coin, has it ever come down before? Because if you can be able to learn this thing, and you cannot use it to do your preset price, you've been entering coin and coming out fast. So, okay, I consider this coin, there's a time this coin tested this place. That's why I drew my horizontal line from that place to this place, this current place I am here, to this place. So don't mind me. You can see that all my charts are scattered, because that's how I do my analysis. And if you can learn all these things I'm teaching us, you'll be enjoying your RoyalQ. Let me stop here to know that we are able to understand how to set up. Yes, I've understood how to use it. How to set up your trading view. I want to stop here so that I won't load us with too much information, because before you know it, I can continue on and on. So if we're able to get something so far on how to set up a trading view, type 6 in the chat. The presentation is already recorded, so that you can go and watch it all over again. If you are able to understand how to set up the trading view, type 6 in the chat. If you don't type 6 in the chat, it means everything I'm saying, you didn't understand anything at all. I'm just speaking language that you don't understand. Okay, thank you. I've gotten like 3 confirmation. 1, 2, 3, 4 confirmation. I think I'm okay with that. Now, let me go to the last agenda tonight before I give room for questions. For those of us that have decided to build the RoyalQ business, and it's always important that you should take advantage of the several income opportunity that RoyalQ offers. Anytime my trading profit is not coming as I do, I always get a backup from my rewards that RoyalQ gives me. As a last month, I was able to make like $326 trading profit. And that $326 trading profit, normally that $326 trading profit that I made, I think I shared that video in the group. Normally, I can tell you the amount I will have paid for gas fee. If I divide this one by 100, that's 3.26. 3.26 times 20. If I had paid gas fee for my profit I made last month, then my net profit will have been 326 minus 65. So my net profit will have been 261, which is like 306,000 naira profit, which is okay. Somebody's salary is not even up to this, and I'm pressing my phone. And after even I paid for the gas fee, I still make 306,000 naira profit. It's still okay to pay my bills. This is not, I'm not talking about referral bonus. So some people have issue with referral. They have issue with referral. But this is my raw profits that I made. No, I made more than this because how? The total money I made last month was around 326 trading profits. It's around when I did my calculation, it's more than this. It's more than this. This profit was sitting in my Binance. I didn't pay any gas fee. Why? Because I have developed a team and RoyalQ is giving me rewards. And as that reward is coming in, is that reward that is paying my gas fee. So that's $5 that I will have paid from my pocket, from my total profit. It was the reward that RoyalQ was giving me that I used to pay off. It was just, let me just show an example. So some of you that you are just taking, sharing RoyalQ opportunity with people with levity. You're just let me be doing my trading. Let me be doing my trading. Continue. I'm not saying you should not do your trading. No. Now, anytime I'm trading, you will see here where they wrote assets. Let me show us on 6th. The 6th. You will see that as RoyalQ is charging me, anyway, you are seeing red, red, red. As RoyalQ is charging me fuel fee immediately because I have a team, I'm getting the money back immediately. See, I was charged gas fee here. What? And see the gas I was charged here. Immediately, I got my gas fee. Immediately through my team, I got the money back. Are you not seeing it? If you add this is more than this. Again, I was charged again here. I was charged again here. And the moment the bot gave me profit in my Binance, I got this one back. It charged me again. It charged me again. But after some time, because I have team that are trading, and RoyalQ is giving me rewards. As RoyalQ is charging me, profit is coming in to balance all the money that I have spent with my gas fee. Are you not seeing today now? See what I've entered. After all the charges, see what has entered. Because I decided to create a team of people that are using RoyalQ. Because there are two types of income in RoyalQ. Number one is passive income. And passive income is from the trading profits you are making in your Binance. And active income is when you are actively involved in sharing RoyalQ opportunity with people. And when you do that, you can be able to be getting reward from RoyalQ daily. The more people that you build, you refer 1, 2, 3, and you take it as a task, you see that RoyalQ will be paying reward of helping you to be paying your gas fee. That's why most of my bills is gotten from my rewards that I withdraw. What is that I'm withdrawing? It pays my bills, all my bills sufficiently. Why I continue to compound my profits in my Binance. As I'm making more profits in my Binance, I'm turning it over, compounding it 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, before you know it in a year. If you started like $900 or $100 or $300, and you are compounding your profit over and over with your trade with RoyalQ, you can see that you make more than what you started with. So, or the opportunity of getting people to attend, to invite people for RoyalQ has been open. If you are in Lagos, for people that are in Lagos, don't take for granted this Zoom meeting. Zoom meeting here. I said Zoom meeting. This program is coming up on the 27th of April. This is it. Endeavor to invite many people as possible. And this weekend, we are doing a get together for some of us to come around to celebrate some of us that have ranked. And we'll use the opportunity to also use it to plan for how we are going to go out to share flyer collectively as a team with our branded t-shirts. So let me stop here to give room for questions. So if you have any question, you can ask your question. Yes, I have recorded it, Song of Salem, because I have done very important information in today's webinar, which I've recorded. So if you have any question, please, the floor is yours. Unmute your mic and ask your question. Unmute your mic and ask your question. Unmute your mic and ask your question. Maybe on any of your trade that you are currently trading or anywhere you need clarification, please ask your question. And some of us that are just coming, I welcome us all. If you have any of your issue in your trade is down, let me know the price you entered those coin and the coin that you entered, because I've already analyzed that we're expecting the market to go up this week. I know some people that are in Reef. Reef has been long time standing. Reef is coming up because I can see that Reef has a very good one day chart pattern. So for some of us that have been here with us for a very long time, you should know that no matter how long your trade stays, the day the coin will pump, you yourself you'll be amazed. But make sure you have enough margin calls. Are you not seeing what this coin did? You know, this coin has really I not seen from where that's why I draw that black line. That is when we enter that coin. And the coin has gone down by the current price, the last price that time, it went down by minus 29%. But now, using my price range to calculate, I can calculate your floating loss now. From here, your floating loss should have reduced from minus 29 to around minus 22% or lower. And the coin still have a lot of distance to cover for it to go up. Because from here, coming, I'm analyzing people that are on this coin. This coin is still going to come down again. Because on the 4-hour chart, that's what it's showing here. It's going to come down again. And it can touch coming. It will touch this polygon band here. It can touch this place. Let me use my, you can now see how I use my tools, because I want to get the price the coin might reach. The coin is coming to, it will still touch, come down as low as 0.002935 or lower, or it can still touch maybe 0.2868. So we score that your coin, the floating loss might increase again. Then the moment it comes down to that price that I just projected, it will start coming up again, and it will blend with a one-day chart. It will blend with a one-day chart. to form, if a green candle can form at this place up here, then you'll be out of that coin. So if you want to quickly go out of some that coin, if the coin just did like 1%, just come out from the coin. Because we have done a training today on how we can enter at preset price at a lower price, so that we will not be having issue with floating loss again. It will be reduced and it will not make your coin to take that long. I've already done a recording on that video. So any question, because I have to analyze that coin for some people that have been on that coin for a very long time now. Any other question? Okay, someone is typing Shiba average price 0.003334. The only Shiba Inu is even okay now. I know somebody that is enter Shiba Inu at 0.0059. I don't know when the person will come out from that coin. The person enter Shiba Inu at a very high price. Very high price. You enter Shiba Inu at let me check. At what price? 3334. So I want to get the actual price. I will tap the black line, tap the 3 dots, scroll down to settings. I will change this to 3334 to get the actual place we enter. So now I think your coin will be down now by, your coin is down by, Shiba Inu is a very good coin. You are down by minus 13% thereabout. So on the 1-day chart, you can see that this coin is already gathering strength. So if Bitcoin move up to like $73,000 this week, I expect Shiba Inu to recover. But in the 4-hour chart, the coin will still pull back to like 0.0026 or 27 before it now starts going back to your entry price. And you can touch 27 or lower. Then from there, to start traveling back to entry price. So any other question? Can I ask a question, sir? Unmute your mic.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Good evening. The question I want to ask is it possible to have people under you who are Binance, and me, I'm cracking, for example? How does it work? Like if I bring people in and the region they have to probably use Binance or some other exchange. How does that work out such that I'm connected with them when I'm on Kraken?
It doesn't matter, sir. The wallet that you are using does not have anything to do with people that register under RoyalQ. Because what RoyalQ recognizes is the people that sign up through you, under you, they are trading. That's what matters.
Okay,
it doesn't
yeah.
have to do with the wallet they are using. Whether they are using Binance, Bybit. In my team, I have several people using Kraken, using Binance, using OKX, using Bybit, using ETH exchange. It doesn't matter. That place is that they are using is just where their money is. So it doesn't really, as regards to your bidding of your teams, it doesn't matter where they are using, where they are trading from, or their location.
Okay, thank you very much. Then I also put that how can we access the videos, this one and then any other previous ones that are available, so that one can watch them and learn more.
This video is being recorded. So after the meeting, I always send it to the group. I always send it to the group. It's always there. So the moment you click that video, let me show us an example of my videos that I've done in the past. Let's say you enter any of those videos. Then from those videos, you can easily see my YouTube channel. I don't want to go directly there. I want to show you how you can locate all the videos we have done in the past. You see it there. So if I go to my file, I click one of this video. So the moment you enter that video, is playing. Now just click my name. Click my name. Aderemi. Then click videos at the top. You see all the videos on my channel. You see a lot of videos that you can watch. All the training I've done in the past. This video is an academy on its own. Even some of the RoyalQ comments are even telling me that I should come and send all my videos so that they can be helping their team member, because a lot of people don't adopt this method I'm using. That's why they don't easily attend to their team members. Because anything you want to ask me, I've done the video on it. So that's how I will send the video record. Don't worry, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
So any other question? So if there's no other question, so let us call it a night. So we're expecting